What is up, everybody? My name is Rocky. You're watching Metal McIntyre, and today we have a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. Coming out the gate strong on the content here. So this is something I found on eBay for a cheap price. I kind of already have something like this in my collection. Two things, actually. But it was cheap, so I figured I'd just go ahead and buy it. This is from one of my favorite bands, known as Blitzkid. They're a horror punk band from Bluefield, West Virginia, not too far from where I live, surprisingly enough. It was this newspaper, support local police, fire, and EMS. I'm just kidding, it was just wrapped in the newspaper, and got some cardboard, and yeah, here it is. It's this signed Argyle Goolsby prints. Now, the reason I say I have something like this in my collection already is I got two of Argyle Goolsby's solo CDs. They're both signed from him at the Jason Trioxin tribute show, which was really awesome. I'll have to make a video about my experience on that sometime, but yeah, this is just really cool. It was a little cheap thing I found on eBay, and you know, I can always hang more Goolsby stuff on my wall. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I thought it was going to be like a smaller, like normal, like 5x7. But yeah, it looks like a full 8.5 by 11, maybe 9 by 12 even. Pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. I'll put some cool shots of this at the end, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video, because I got more stuff coming.